Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. So today I'm going to make a very simple and easy spaghetti pasta. Before we get starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing it and give me a thumbs up if you like this video and if you like this recipe. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's begin with boiling water in a pot. This is to cook the spaghetti pasta. Now we'll cook the spaghetti pasta in this boiling water for around 7 to 8 minutes. And here I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of salt. And now we'll go to the cooking process, for which I'll be taking around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, that's fine. And here I'll be finely chopping 6 to 7 garlic cloves. Now these are big size garlic cloves. And we'll add this to the olive oil, making sure the flame is very low because we don't want to turn this garlic cloves brown. We'll just saute this in the oil, and now I'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Just give it a mix. Now since the oil is hot, I have turned off the flame. I'll just mix this well. Add around half teaspoon of salt. Now you can always adjust the salt at the end if needed. And here I'll turn on the flame and I'll add in some water. The reason why I'm adding water is because we don't want the garlics to be fried in the oil. We don't want the garlic cloves to turn brown. Now we'll just give it a mix. It's very important to keep control on the flame. And now I will add in the pasta, followed by a handful of parsley. So I'll chop it fine and I'll add this to the pasta. And now we'll mix this all together. All the flavors from the olive oil should be coated well to the spaghetti pasta. And the parsley also will start leaving the flavor and it will make the spaghetti pasta taste delicious. And now you can serve it hot. That's about it. It was that simple to make the spaghetti pasta. You just need few ingredients. That's garlic cloves, chili flakes and parsley. If you don't have olive oil, you can use the regular oil as well. Do let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe, how you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing it. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.